No, I
And
guess the news said that Corona is out of Colombo or something.
yeah, bro, we got in
Yeah.
got in the bus and then went back. Candy a ball.
It went back to Mavanil, I guess.
Yeah,
Oh,
he's out of Colombo. When is he coming back?
By the, uh,
When is it returning?
I have to ask the Corona, bro. Third wave, when is it?
Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to the podcast, Lagging Bang. So, yo, guys, welcome back to another episode of Lagging Bang. First of all, a big shout out to everyone who subscribed after the previous video. We are at 35 subscribers, I guess, and we got around 300 views. That's like pretty big. Like we didn't expect that, and we got 27 or 29. We had 29 likes for the
that
video and
nice.
3 dislikes. Okay, so we didn't promote that video much, but it did pretty well. Like I told some of my friends and they like subscribed and liked it. Abdul went and told some of his friends and he subscribed and liked it. And Dasit went and told his friends and then we got 2 dislikes. So big shout out to Dasit on that. Like thanks a lot. I still have no idea why they disliked it, but then yeah.
I mean, it's okay.
Uh,
Every video is something. It's okay. Try to get on with it.
yeah. So this is the thing, okay? So like let's just move on straight to the topic. We were talking about having a guest today. So let's have the drum roll, please. So today's guest is no one. We don't have a guest, okay? Sadly,
Last moment
Sri
they canceled on us. It's okay.
Lankers are, just rejecting us because we are not big enough, I guess. I'm not sure. So we are still at 35 subscribers. So before December 31st, we are trying to get 100 subscribers. It's a small target, kind of a small target, but then it's big for us, like, because we are just trying to do something really big here. And we have come up with this new idea. So we are trying to add people, like, people who haven't got recognition yet, like, people who do a lot, like, some people, like,
Like small creators.
yeah, small
Yeah.
creators and people who do
Maybe
sports.
people who are inspiring to the society, who like will inspire the youngsters, to follow their path, footsteps, something like that. Maybe can't call them. Yeah, something like that.
And we have, like, some people, like, some teenagers who are, like, involved in these sports activities and they're like not given enough recognition, but if they like if people do channel is not going to go that far maybe, but then like we are just trying to help everyone here. So if you know anyone, just let us know, guys. You can comment down below, or you can like DM us on our Instagrams. Usernames in the description. And today's topic, okay, since we don't have a guest again, we are really sorry, and we got cancelled out last moment, sadly. And the next episode is surely with a guest, that I'm sure. Okay, next
Sure.
episode surely with a guest. Okay, before 31st, we're gonna upload another 2 more videos, maybe this and another one, or another 2 more with guests. So we were gonna talk about something else instead of like having a guest today. Last minute preparation. So Dasit gave suggestions, I gave suggestions, Abdul gave suggestions, and we had a small argument. And we just finished the argument and we started rolling. And Abdul won the argument, and we are going according to Abdul's plan today. So if the video doesn't end up well, it's Abdul's fault. Everyone blames Abdul for it. But if it like ends up doing pretty good like the last episode, then it's because of me and Dasit, because we bought up a good conversation, right?
Exactly.
And then
Okay,
yeah, so
so we'll get into the topic today.
Abdul,
Tarun, what's the topic?
yeah, so Abdul wanted to talk about COVID in Sri Lanka. So like COVID came like 1 year before.
My bad. Sorry.
Okay.
Yeah, my bad.
Okay, so COVID came to Sri Lanka like around like last March, right? Like yeah, March only our schools got closed, and it's almost going to be 1 year. And Abdul now wants to talk about like COVID. So Abdul thinks people in our country are like living on a rock or something. So like he thinks only we are like news
I
first
mean,
and
that's
other.
the trending talk right now.
Yeah, so
That's
like
the
yeah,
trending talk right now. Yeah.
it, it's not just like about COVID
Yes.
and stuff. I mean, you can watch it in news. It's like what people are doing in COVID, like COVID time, like jokes and stuff. It's gonna be all friendly. We are not trying to trying to score
Offending
anyone.
now.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay,
So
so
yeah,
let's get a bit
let's start about like the start. What was it, Abdul? I forgot. The mask
yeah,
thing.
It was about the
mask.
lady who didn't wear the mask properly. Yeah.
I
Yeah,
think
Where
so.
I had to go to the supermarket.
So what happened?
So I did a dumb shit.
It's fine. It's fine. It's
I
yeah,
fine.
did a dumb thing. Yeah. So I took my
Yeah.
phone camera and started recording what how she's wearing the mask. And I almost got scolded and sent it to these two culprits. Yeah.
well, we the
And
culprits.
How we are? How like that? That's what?
We wear a
Okay.
mask. We don't go out. We don't
So
go
sorry
out
for
often.
so I feel so sorry for that lady who was not wearing a mask properly. I mean, it's her fault too, like not wearing a mask properly. But like you couldn't have recorded it. You should have just gone and told her. But we asked him like, why aren't you going and this was like, Achang, what if I get corona? If you wear the mask properly, okay, I
How would you get corona?
I don't know if masks are 100%. Yeah, shape. So and another thing, sorry for the lag. If you are like facing any lags in video.
it's lagging bunk, so yeah, you get lags.
So we don't actually lag. It's just editing.
Yeah.
Exactly. Editor, Mr. Abdul Hafid.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. So let's continue with the thing.
So
So
that's
like
like
Tarun, yeah,
you all are
continue.
supposed to like he was whole day he was like you all are supposed to wear masks like covering your nose and your mouth. Okay, it's like the virus can. That's right. All right.
No, no, yeah, something. Yeah.
Appreciate. So it's like people are thinking the virus is going from their chin maybe because they just cover their chin. It's like a chin guard they're wearing nowadays. That's the style. Okay, they buy a mask and they just cover their chin. They don't cover their nose and the mouth. Okay, like I can like if I can take the laptop and go to the road right now, I can show everyone who's like wearing a mask below their nose and mouth. Like they're just covering their chin. I don't know why. Like maybe
I mean,
like
I'll put some photos and cover their faces right now, like in the editing process.
yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Cut. Okay.
So the
So
mask is not the only thing the people are doing, right? What about the going out part? Like,
yeah,
people like Abdul going out, not giving
yeah,
anything about the COVID
exactly.
pandemic. Why?
So Abdul recorded this lady like not wearing a mask properly in Kiels, okay, in Kiels Super. So we asked him why did he go to Kiels? Like obviously if you want to buy something for your house, like grocery and stuff like that, your parents go because you can't trust Abdul with it, okay. And this dude went and we called him and asked why. He was like, no, monk. I went to buy Sprite and put 100 rupees data card. Okay. First of all, Dialog gives 99 rupees data card. There's no 100 rupees. Okay. And the other thing is, why do you go to buy Sprite? You walk around 1 kilometer to buy Sprite and you come back. Okay. During a pandemic. Okay. And the Kills Super is like in the main road, right? And this dude like walks the main road, okay, goes walking, goes into Kills, and then he's like, and like if he just bought the Sprite and came out, okay, Bag is looking at this lady not wearing the mask properly, Bag is recording that, Bag is looking at everyone else. Okay,
He's
that's
like
what
the magnet of COVID and problems and whatever everything he attracts it.
It's
even
like
in
He's
more
the
like I gossip about people in Kiels.
oh
yeah,
yeah,
You
so
know.
gossip.
even in school he's like that, like
Oh
magnet
God.
all problems.
All
No,
problems, Abdul. Come here, come here. I don't know.
It's like a magnet, like Abdul.
That's exactly what I thought, bro. Okay, let's continue.
Okay.
And then they're just trying to drag the conversation. So if it goes more than 20 minutes, yeah, okay. And the other thing is, our government had curfew. Like, first we had like the whole all island lockdown, and then they opened certain cities, and then it was fully open. And after second wave came, they closed down again some certain cities, and our areas were all under lockdown, and they opened it again. Okay, they opened it again, and there was this rule saying, like, just don't go out, only for your business matters and all those stuff you can go out. And people still go out, right? Like, I guess, like, for teenagers, going partying, clubbing, business matters, I guess. Like, soon as lockdown was open, you should see all their stories and stuff.
Oh
So they
my
would come
God,
to your
bro.
office. Okay.
Everyone out there clubbing, going partying, going to parties, eating, whatever, I don't know. Nobody cares.
Yeah. And then, like, there was this bugger where he went, I can't name him, but then we were talking about him yesterday. So when you talk about Taco Bell,
What do you mean?
my voice, Taco Bell, and then he was eating fries. I mean, dude, you can just buy fries from Food City and go home and cook and eat. Why do you need to go to Taco Bell to eat fries? Okay.
And plus, you can just order it online, man. Delivery.
Exactly. Okay. This dude, like, oh
But
my
it's
god.
not tasty like you order from Taco Bell. Yeah.
Yo, bro, you can, there's
And
something called delivery. They have a hotline number, right? Dial it,
I mean,
bring it to your house.
24 hours in a home.
what
That's
you
like
no, what if you make is not tasty means not our fault. That's your fault. If you don't
That's
cook
your
it,
fault.
you can't do anything about it. Okay? You expect the
I mean
president to
going
come
to
to your house and
going to Food
no, no,
City and going to Food City and Taco Bell is like the same thing, but then it's just that you have to eat over there. Yeah.
No, you don't have to
no,
eat over. There's something called takeaway, but then, like, you
you,
guys can just use delivery, man.
yeah, delivery. Even in Food City, you have
It's the
delivery. You
same
have
thing, yeah.
Spa.
It's not the same thing.
Okay. And
But
the other
then
thing, and for
nowadays
some
many
people,
people don't go to Food City. Yeah. More attracted
yeah,
like nowadays many
for
people don't go to Food City. Yeah. Many are attracted to kills. Yeah.
yeah, like why Abdul's just took push spots, right?
Yeah, yeah,
He
yeah.
doesn't
It's
like
like,
Food
no, but
City.
have food city, right? What the hell is that?
It's
Go
like
back to
largest companies in Sri Lanka, Cargill's. Okay, and
But then it
yeah,
doesn't have the stuff what yeah, am I
that's
lagging?
only in Dehiwala Food City. Okay,
yeah. You are lagging, first of all, and second of all, I think Development City is too small. I think it
yeah,
might be constructed by Mr. Abdullah.
No, I
and
no
then
the Keels are more crowded than Food City. Haven't you noticed that?
Bro, that doesn't
okay,
matter if it has more crowd or not. The main point is it shouldn't have crowd.
no, that's the thing. Okay, you're going for a place which has more crowd. Like that's something you shouldn't do in COVID. Okay,
And
you should
people
go
like
there.
this exist. What are we gonna do? 700 and
I
it's
mean,
gonna
I
go
mean,
up to
I mean,
10,000.
when I'm no. When I'm going in my vehicle, I can see it through the glass. It's not like they have put something to cover the people inside there. Common
Yeah, you're
sense,
seeing
man.
through the glass. What else do you see through, man? But when I'm going through
Oh,
the vehicle, I see through the glass. You don't need to be like so. Okay, so let's okay. Yeah, that's the thing. Like, still people are going to these crowded areas and stuff like that, even after they open lockdown. And especially, like, okay, those dinner parties and everything we're talking about, and weddings and stuff like that. So, like, again, the president and, like, the government has told, like, only for business matters. Like, obviously, if it close down, Sri Lanka can keep economy and all those stuff will obviously go down. So it's not their fault too. But business again doesn't matter. Like, it doesn't mean that you can go on a family dinner to Shangri-La and eat and spend around, like, 50K and stuff like that. Okay, if you and some people, they just go, they book a room in some hotel, they just stay while they have a house 5 minutes away. Okay, remember the person from our class who went to Galadari and stayed?
oh my God, bro. He went to Galdar, he went to
It's
Kingsburg, he went to Taj, and he went to what else?
When I
Abdullah told me,
when I asked him why he did that, he's like, no, bro, trip. 10 minutes
Bro,
drive from home to the hotel is a
Abdul,
trip for him.
Abdul, I don't think you're the. Yeah,
Abdul,
he's
don't.
not one from. You went.
Yeah, Abdul
You
went. No,
went too.
you know what Abdul did, okay? So this dude was like, going home in the morning. So he was at Kingsbury. Abdul went and took a picture of their bed and he put a story saying morning bed to show everyone that he also stayed overnight. And Bugger went there for 5 minutes, took a photo, posted it, went home.
And went.
That's Abdul.
This is
Okay?
just mad, man.
I mean, okay,
And he acted like he woke up over there. That's just great
so,
stuff.
the first thing is like that's stupid to do. Okay. And the other thing is like even if you actually wanted a photo, you should just told that person to take a photo and send it. Why did you have to
No, no.
go?
I went for the food, bro, because I'm like, I like food and stuff. I'm like a foodie guy. You know what I make. If I
People
make
like
it,
for the food, mainly for Instagram stories, don't lie.
People like this exist, okay? And that's the only time I saw Abdul wearing a mask, okay? So this dude like took a video call and
I actually
Abdul,
forgot the mask. I
yeah,
actually
Abdul,
forgot the mask.
Nice, man.
and then
They won't
he
live
wasn't
inside the
wearing a
hotel with
mask.
a mask.
He wasn't wearing a mask in the video call, and then suddenly he posted this photo on Instagram, and he was wearing a mask. Only for the Instagram, he wears a mask. Just for the photos, just for the likes, okay? So we have people like that in our own podcast. Like, that's how Sri Lanka is going right now. Even if we make rules, so like we complain like oh that dude is not doing that, that dude's not doing that, but like we end up doing the wrong thing, okay? And this there was this other topic we want to talk about, like what was it, cycling thing, okay? I
Oh
was
God,
supposed I was supposed to go cycling, okay? I bought another cycle, okay? I bought another cycle. My cycle is not it's in a hometown, so I couldn't bring it here. I bought a
He
cycle to
literally
go.
spent like 70K on a cycle.
And this bugger, okay, went out without a mask, and like he was jabbering with other people in golf face without a mask, and those people are also walking without a mask. I mean, obviously, yeah, when you're doing when you're like doing exercise, you can't wear a mask. But this bug doesn't have common sense. Bug started going to speak into them. My father saw it. That's it. No cycling. Okay. So
I mean, if people talk, you can be like, "Ado corona." No, 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 no
yeah.
speaking.
no corona.
No, so this is what, like that day Abdul came up with this theory saying like so now there are like influencers are now talking about Kottamali and that thing. It actually works, like uh, Ayurvedic stuff. But that doesn't mean after you get corona you can drink Kottamali to take it away. If you can do that, obviously US must have given that without a vaccine. Okay, it's like which this bar is like, hey, I went out without a mask. I'm scolding him, and bar is like, it's okay, man. Like I'll come home and drink a cup of Kottamali. Finished.
Dude, that's like the most what do you call this thing I've seen. Okay, why don't you post your Kottamal in Instagram, bro? I don't think
Uh,
Abdullah you only post this posh drinks in the
what like
mocktails.
Kottamali is like, ado Kottamali can't post. Man. Baga post Coca-Cola, Sprite, Red Bull, all
Everything,
those stuff.
Okay, on my
mocktails
next
and
post,
other
I'm
stuff.
gonna be like, I'm drinking Kotamali.
No.
Yeah.
You should actually learn from this, not just for the posts.
Yeah,
No posts.
we're actually like even though we're just making jokes about it, it's like pretty serious now. Like Sri Lanka is getting worse. Like the cases are increasing.
No, I
And
guess the news said that Corona is out of Colombo or something.
yeah, bro, we got in
Yeah.
got in the bus and then went to Candy Golf.
It went back to Mavanil, I guess.
Yeah,
So,
he's out of Colombo. When is he coming
By
back?
the, huh?
When is he returning?
I have to ask the Corona, bro. Third wave, when is it? I mean, Sri Lanka is getting a vaccine on February, March.
bro, first let the world get some good ass vaccine and then we'll start.
No, Russia. I mean, they have given the vaccine. Like last week, I saw the news.
No,
I
Canada's
guess
getting one. Canada's getting one.
I saw in the
That's one.
news saying. I'm not sure.
Canada's gonna get it like another.
So guys,
Canada's getting.
subscribe to this YouTube channel so we can start earning, and through that money we'll all get vaccines. Sure. Maybe
So basically, they are providing us like donations for vaccines. vaccine? Is that what is happening?
subscribe to us, we get money out of it. So like they don't need to spend money on vaccine. So out of the money we get, we buy them a vaccine. You get it?
Oh, really?
Dude, they can
But
just use that base.
obviously, vaccine is gonna go for like
I mean, we'll buy vaccine for ourselves, not to others. Like, I mean, we care for others.
So
Like,
that's how it works. Now we're gonna.
just to stop it there, we're gonna get more dislikes for this
Yeah,
video.
yeah, I know that.
Obviously, like
Abdul's gonna lose some followers today, huh? Half of it is fake. The other ones are also gonna be fake now. Okay, let's
yeah,
just.
I actually gained some followers like after the last video. That was pretty cool.
We got followers or we
I,
lost followers?
I got
thank God.
followers.
Yeah,
I
you
got
too.
Yeah, you lost followers. That's true.
Mm, I got followers.
yeah.
Right. Uh,
And what was that other thing we wanted to talk about? The COVID thing. Uh, I mean, there are some other sad stuff going through, like people are fighting in the parliament and stuff like that regarding this matter,
that will
and
never
like
stop.
how
I
That
mean,
will
that's
never
fun
yeah
for
stop.
me. That's funny for
yeah.
me.
I mean, parliament talks are fun. I mean, like you don't need
Like,
to.
no, it's like, Tharun calls me, like, he's like, yo, bro, Parliament talks up, it's like so fun to watch them, fight each other, acting like even we would act more mature than that girl.
Yeah, like something like that. But then, like there's some real stuff to be like discussed about, but they don't talk. Like
I mean, in politics, all these 70, 80-year-old uncles are living there, right? So obviously they're gonna fight.
come. They might be under guest who don't know, man. Like when we become big, we can get like people.
We're going to get a lot of hate only because of Abdul.
No, no. But be honest, okay. Right now, they're doing a good job. Not. No, I'm not saying the parliament. The president is doing a very good job.
The government is doing good job.
They have proper rules. Like I have to go to my hometown and I can't go easily. Like I had to stop and go. Now there's this new thing about the PCR test. I have to get a PCR
Well,
test.
See, you're traveling out of Colombo. You're traveling out of Colombo. That's real bad, bro.
okay, look, first
Corona.
of all, he's going from his house
My other
to his
house.
other house from his car.
Okay.
No. Okay. I went to my hometown. I got chased by those PHI, whatever that
Well,
thing
that's
Okay.
because
is,
Okay.
you went in a
from
time
my house.
period where you're not supposed to leave Western Province, and you left Western Province.
I'm not.
It still says that you cannot leave Western Province
No, no,
No,
even
no,
I'm
no.
because
not.
there are checkpoints.
No, no, even I'm not like if I'm going, I can't like I have to straight away go to my house, and then the PHI will come and check, and I'm supposed to be like 14 days quarantine at home, even if you're going out of the province.
I mean, they asked me to stay 14 days quarantine. I just came back to Colombo.
That's the
There
thing.
you go. This is just example of why people like Abdul shouldn't exist in this Sri Lanka or in this world. Basically.
No, this is the thing, okay? And you're talking about going home and coming back. So that doesn't mean going to Cave Super. Okay. Well,
Yeah. So
uh, what
let's
was
have
that
ended.
other like wait man, like just started it. The goal is going pretty well.
Just
And
okay.
then let's check the time. So guys, we're like actually like yeah, now I think it's like enough of jokes for today. And we are not trying to like, make this a joke. We're just trying to like like guys be safe and stuff like that. So this ends soon. This is the thing. Our podcast is not like this, not like a Zoom call every day. We actually have planned of a set. Okay, we have a set. Okay, so due to technical issues and government
No,
has closed airports, we can't go to that country to like record our stuff. So
yeah, and
just
and and plus, we will have influencers, and we'll ask them questions and all. It's not going to be like only three of us talking to each other making jokes. We'll be asking questions that you guys want us to ask. Something that you guys really wanted to know. There are people who will be coming next podcast. I'm pretty sure you guys will like.
yeah, like this is the thing. Okay, when the last podcast was going on, we promised you that they're going to be like guests. So we talked to 5 guests, and they all were like, okay, let me think about it. And today in the
They told they'll make it, but I think they're not free this day. They told they'll make it.
today's guest, like he's 100% like okay with doing the podcast. He told he doesn't mind like if low subscribers or anything. but he was busy today. So like he's coming for the next podcast, and we're having like few more
I
other
mean,
people.
like we promised you all, we'll come back in 1 week, so we made it. Yeah.
Yeah, that's what, like we wanted to like drop a video every week, so then that's why we had to drop this video today. Another thing, so if your Google account or the YouTube account is like public, so when you subscribe I get the notification. So when we get notifications, we, like some YouTubers do this, like what do you call, like giveaways and stuff like that. We're actually going to be a bit serious about it. Okay, so we are going to do phone stickers and phone covers and laptop stickers. Laptop stickers.
How many people have a chance to get it?
So this is how it goes. Like if your account is public, so then like when someone subscribes, we get the notification. So now, uh, 10 people will get phone covers for any type of model. 10 people will get phone stickers for any type of model. And then 5 people will get shout outs from Lagin Bang Instagram page, from my Instagram page, Das Instagram page, and Abdul's Instagram page. 5 people get shout out. Okay. And if you're lucky enough, one person out of all the subscribers will win a chance to join us in one of the podcasts and just talk about something really fun. Okay, for one podcast. And it's gonna be like you're gonna be the guest, so like that's gonna be really nice. And
All these are happening after 100 subscribers. Yeah.
after 100 subscribers, so after we reach 100 subscribers, and our goal is to reach 100 subscribers before December 31st, like before this year finished. So we're going to start 2021 with a kick. Okay. And we are looking forward for certain people to watch this podcast, and I hope this reaches those people. So like we are actually trying to get something out of this. Like we have a small goal of this, a pretty nice goal, not for money or anything. We were just joking before. Okay, we have like nice goals. Like let's hope it goes well. Guys, stay safe. Thanks for again subscribe. Please subscribe. Okay, 100 subscribers. Road to 100 subscribers. Maybe 1,000 before.
If possible. And let's get the likes and views up to, let's get Abdul a good mask.
Yeah, and we are really sorry
Yeah.
if our connections are bad again, because Sri Lankan Wi-Fi is very bad at the moment. Everyone's using high peak hours because everyone's at work. Okay.
We don't have 5G connection in Sri Lanka still in some areas.
Okay, only good areas get like. Okay, no, okay, let's just stop the podcast.
Okay,
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 bye.
okay.
See you guys.
See you
Thank
guys.
you.
Talk to you. Bye. That's it, no? Okay, finally.